Hey guys, I'm doing a OLSP review. I started in August. I started this. I probably ran like 3 times traffic to it, and I ran traffic to it yesterday. I got I think like 50 leads. I'll show you here in my tracker right here. I got 50 leads here, and Abe Weber's is the same company. I got a solo ad, and I ran traffic to it. No sales. Here's a solo ad provider right here. This is the what I got, 100 clicks. And here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna safe list. I'm gonna run all this free traffic here that I've gotten really lucky with this, these sites. So I'm gonna run for a couple of days, 3 or 4 days, see how it runs and if I get any leads. I normally do get leads, but any sales. Um, this platform is like for big, for people who are starting. They do everything for you. Your links, you promote your link, and they're coded to you forever. You know what I'm saying? So they can buy now or they can buy in 6 months or 3 years, and they're always coded to you. You're always gonna get the commission from them. I'm right now at the $7. I bought the $7 item. There's all training in here. All this training they got. Facebook, 101. I'm not into Facebook too much, but and here traffic challenge. Here I went through that already. All these are free stuff. Like go through them, and it's good training. He's made millions. You know, the owner of the system. I'm gonna try see what happens. Keep on promoting it. I'm gonna keep. I don't think I'm gonna. Maybe next week I'll get some solo ads. Maybe it's always good to run 200 or 300 clicks because with 100 clicks you ain't gonna know nothing. And I'm gonna run this free traffic here. See what happens, and I'll make another video like in probably like in 3 or 4 days or Tuesday of next week. So everything goes. Wayne Kroll, he's the one of the system. They do everything. They do all the follow up. Just gotta send eyeballs to the link. You know, right here, mega link. You send traffic to that, and they do all the follow up, all the emails, and it's good. You know what I'm saying? So I'll provide more as we go. Thank you. As we go.